How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Here is how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone so the message disappears from both your chat and the recipient's chat. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account, and also go to the chat with the messages you want to delete for everyone. Now, once inside the messages, tap and hold the message you want to delete. So as you can see, I have this like emoji option available here. Now I'll long press on it. Then tap on the delete option available there. Then tap on the trash can icon. Then tap on the delete for everyone. Now the message will be replaced with you deleted this message or this message was deleted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.